Welcome to our August roundup. Yes, welcome to Gardening with Ben, and in this video we're going to talk about our August roundup, how well we've succeeded, how well we've failed, and yeah, what our plans are for September, as I do love September time, and you'll find out why I love September in a minute. So what has been successful in August? Now this has probably been one of my most successful years for cooking apples. I've had absolutely hundreds of it, and I'm going to be picking all the rest of it this weekend, ready for the apple crumbles. And yeah, I'm going to be storing them all up throughout the winter period. It's going to have so many. I feel sorry for my mum. She's the one who's peeling them and cutting them all and making me the crumbles, but she offers. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. We've also had millions of plums off as well. They've done absolutely phenomenal, really good this year. I've given it a prune back because you're meant to prune it in the summertime. You're not meant to prune plum trees in the winter period, as that can enhance silver leaf. So I've pruned it all back, ready for next year. So I probably won't get as many next year, or if any. It seems to always through every couple of years, my plum tree. But hopefully we will get some in a couple of years. But we've got another couple of new plum trees which have started to get established on. We had a couple on them this year, so hopefully next year we'll get a good crop on our new plum trees next year. Blackberries, we've had loads of blackberries off on our thornless blackberry plant. It's still producing them now. Thornless blackberries seem to go on for ages. They seem to last longer than the thorn varieties, so hopefully we'll continue to get lots of blackberries, and we'll add them to our crumble as well to give them some extra flavour. We've also got loads of eating apples and pears coming, but they're not usually ready until September time, so hopefully in September we'll be harvesting all them off. We've also had the best year ever for our sweet corn. It's been absolutely phenomenal. It's been early, yes, it's very early. You're not usually harvesting sweet corn until September time, but we've had a fantastic crop this year. We've had an early autumn blast. Everything's thinking it's autumn already, so everything is producing early. Pumpkins are early. I'm going to be harvesting my pumpkins this weekend. They're ready, and the way that you know that pumpkins are ready is when the stalk dies off, it goes brown, and that's when the pumpkins are ready for harvesting. So we've done all that. We've also started redoing up our allotment entrance to the plot and making that all nicer, ready for next year. We've put up a new archway, we've created some new beds which I'm going to put all spring bulbs in and do up all that area, as I don't usually have the spring bulbs in that area. I usually have them in a couple of other areas, so I'm extending my spring bulb areas ready for next year. So hopefully lots more colour and lots more photos. You do know I love a good selfie, but we're going to be having loads of spring bulbs in there, and that is why I'm excited for September, because in the supermarkets and the shops all the spring bulbs are out now. Yes, it's exciting, as I do love spring bulbs down at the allotment. It attracts the bees, it feeds them when they wake up from hibernation, and it brings them to your allotment. It brings all the bees to the allotment, so I love it. And don't be encouraged to plant them yet. Plant them in October, November time, your spring bulbs. So yeah, if you're buying them, keep them somewhere dry, ready for planting out in October. So we're going to be stockpiling before they all get sold out, and hopefully get some beautiful displays down here at the allotment next year. But we've had a good year. It's not been the best year down at the plot. I've not grown as much this year. I've not grown peas, I've not grown runner beans. My courgettes haven't done very well, but I've seen a lot of posts with people not doing well with courgettes. Yeah, my potatoes, I didn't get no potatoes because the squirrels ate them all. But we've planted some Christmas potatoes which are popping through now, and hopefully they'll be ready to harvest in December. So if you're wanting to grow some Christmas potatoes, plant them in tubs in the polytunnel and they'll be ready for December time, so I'm looking forward to them. But yeah, I've had a good August. I had a few days off work and I spent quite a bit of time down here enjoying doing what I love most. If only this was a full-time job, blogging for you all. But yeah, I do appreciate everybody that does comment on my posts, that likes them, that shares them, that interacts with them, and keeps me motivated. Doing all these videos makes me want to come down and make my allotment keep looking good. Not all the plots looking good, but I do always show the worst bits and the good bits as well. So yeah, I hope that you've all enjoyed the videos that I've been putting out recently. So until next time everyone, make sure that you do give us a follow, make sure you feel free to share and comment, and tomorrow's video will be what to plant in September, what vegetables plant in September, so stay tuned for that one. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.